Hi guys, welcome to the course. In this lecture, we are going to learn how to create a virtual environment. Now, what is a virtual environment? A virtual environment is a container or a box that stores all the tools or dependencies you need for a particular project. Okay, now I'm on a Linux machine. If you're on Windows, this might be differ from yours, but you can easily check on how to create a virtual environment on Windows, and that solves it. Okay, now if you're on Linux machine, the first thing you want to do is to install the virtualenv. So sudo apt install virtualenv. You just have to put your password. Okay, now I already have it installed, so no need of going to that. So now, after you've installed the virtual environment, the next thing you want to do is to create a folder, which is the virtual folder where all our tools will be stored in. Okay, now I'm going to create a folder using the mkdir command. So I'm going to say mkdir. Then what's the name of the folder? I'm going to call this folder my underscore project. Okay, now click on enter. Now we have created a folder called my project. So now we are going to cd into that folder. So I'm going to say cd, which means change directory, my underscore project. So now we are now in the folder called my underscore project. Okay, now let's create a virtual environment. We're going to say virtual env dash p python 3 env. Click on enter. Okay, now we have created a virtual environment. But for us to be able to use this virtual environment, we need to activate the virtual environment. Now we're going to activate the virtual environment using this command source env /bin /activate. Okay, now we have activated our virtual environment. See you in the next lecture.